Okay guys, today I'm baking muffin. So what I use oat roll, a little bit of pinch of salt, baking powder, milk, Greek yogurt. Then I beat some eggs and I mix them together. Then I put in some lemon zest and lemon juice. Then a little bit of honey, a little bit of sugar. Then almond flour to mix as well, and some blueberries. So this is the blueberries. There is chopped blueberries in there. So this is my baking pan. I'm gonna tip in this and put in the oven and cook. Okay guys, so like you are home, you just do something, keep yourself busy. So this is how you're gonna do it. Then oil the pan. If you don't have this kind of pan, you can use your hand to roll it flat and put on your baking pans and put in the oven and bake for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Then when it is out, then it will be yummy. It's like a muffin. So you can use strawberry, but you can use blackberry. You can use any of the fruits of your choice. You can use apple one. You can cook your apple, soften it, and mix it together as well, like this, like what I'm doing. But I'm using blueberry, fresh blueberry. You can use frozen one, any frozen fruit of your choice. Yeah, and bake. So now I'm doing this. There's a rumor going on the news. This new BBC news here is saying they should Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp. They should ban all those people carrying fake news about G5 network that this is causing this virus, and talking about cloning people, putting chip, blah blah. They say it's all fake lies. So I don't know why people are doing that. They just want to cause confusion in the whole world. Because I was wondering as well, how can the government of United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, all over the world, Canada, Australia, how can they allow this evil network to cause this kind of disease and be killing people, even affecting them that are the leaders? So it's not true, guys. All these people carrying this fake rumor is lie. There's nothing like G5 causing anything. Okay, guys, so people should stop carrying fake news. So I'm gonna put it in the oven in a minute. I put in some lemon juice as well, breaking some eggs, and mix everything together with lemon zest. I like my fresh lemon. This is the blackberry I used, so this I'm gonna use it on top when it's baked. There are some already in there. So now let's go to the oven and send him into the oven and bake. So you're gonna go in there. I will leave it for say 20 minutes to bake. And guys, please keep subscribing to my channel and leave your comments and tell me what you think. And remain blessed and